Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi 12 Lite, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and enable the parental control feature on this device. So first of all you gotta launch settings, then enter the Google category over here. After that, remove and unlink all the accounts that are currently, added and associated with the system, which you can do through tapping on the account, then going for the manage accounts on this device option, then go for Google, more, remove. After all the accounts have been successfully removed, so let me just quickly reload this page to show you that there is currently not a single account associated with my smartphone. You've got to sign in the child's account, so let me just go ahead and start real quick. In here I'll enter the child's account email address, and off the screen I'll quickly enter the password as well. It is also worth mentioning that in the ideal scenario, your child does not have to know about the password of the used account, since if you know the password you can turn off the parental control without asking or without even the supervising device or supervising account being involved. So it's kind of a bypass way, should I say. So let me just quickly finalize the account link. Now, after you have successfly logged into the child's Google account, you can enter the parental controls section over here at the same category of settings. Just scroll the page down a little. Let's get started and start the setup procedure. In here we'll go for the child or teen option. Next. We'll wait for a little bit. Choose the child's account that we have recently added. Now we gotta enter the credentials for the parent's account or supervisor's account, the account that will be in charge. So I'll do it off the screen real quick. Once you have successfully entered the credentials of parent's Google account, you can see what you will be able to configure and which restrictions you will be able to apply. Over here, then scroll the page all the way down and enter the child's password once again to confirm the link-in procedure, or to finalize it, should I say. Then tap on the blue agree button, then allow. Wait until the specified Google account will be successfully linked. As you can see now, they are. Let me get back to the previous page real quick. We'll click on next. In here you can prematurely manage the child's application, so either restrict or allow any that you want. On the next page you'll be able to apply some filters and settings for the child system. After that, we will continue the setup procedure on the parent's phone, which in my case is this little, not this one, this little Poco device. So I'll just go for the install family link button over here. As you can see, the installation process has been automatically started. You do not have to tap on this button specifically. You can just manually download it from the Play Store on the parent's or supervisor's device, but this is a very convenient way to do that, in my opinion. So we are all set on the child's smartphone site. Now we can open the family link app on the supervisor's device. As you can see right now, it shows two devices that are linked to it, which is, nothing. So do not pay attention to this one. In our case, the Xiaomi 12 Lite is the device that we are interested in particularly. So from here you can play a sound to locate the device, lock it if you want to. It says that it should be locked, but it does not. Yeah, there are some delays. The delays might occur. So not a great deal, whatever. So you can set up the daily limit for your child to use its device, the downtime, the app limits, and disable the apps in general, enforce some content restrictions, configure the account, and, well, a lot of other configurations that we recommend you try yourself. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as the parental control on the smartphone goes. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.